Hello friends, today I'm going to show you this device. You might be thinking, where is the device? Since it has come up with a custom packaging, so I didn't want it to show you directly. So these are capacitive stylus. These are made by Amazon Basics, and it can be used on your touchscreen devices. And it comes up with 3 colors, and here it is mentioned the price is 1500 rupees, but my friends, you can get this for only 700 or 800 rupees. So let's go and open this up. It's totally sealed. I don't know where to open this, why Amazon has sealed this off in this way, but I think I have to break the seal off here. And you can see it is being sold by Cloudtail India Private Limited, and this is a good seller. I need the knife for this, so it's done. Let's pull this up. Okay, well, we have some informations here. This product, please refer to your local Amazon website. And typically, what's this? I don't know. Let's jokes apart, let's be serious. So these are the pens that I was talking about. I have a lot of issues while using my phone. I surf a lot in internet using my phone and iPad and tablet, so I wanted these. So as it is mentioned on the top, it comes with 3 colors, that is the black. And let me open this up, where it opens. Oh, it is sealed. Okay, here it is. So here we get the black one, and we do get the blue one. I think this is the blue, or this is the silver. I don't know. In camera you will be thinking this is blue, but really, my friends, this is a silver. Okay, and the pen, in the photo they showed me that the pen is also blue, but here I am able to see that the color are the differences of their pen tips. So here we go, friends. Black, blue and silver. The pen has nice accent of blue here. It's slightly blue, but when I compare with the silver, now I'm able to feel it. So as you can see here, so let me try this with my iPhone. So if we go up here, no, not here. Why it is not working? iPhone doesn't support. Yes, it's supporting. Yes, it took little time to. So it's kind of easy and nice. I love this. You need to really tap here like you're tapping with your hand, and it works fine. But the usage is nice, but it doesn't support soft touch like we do in our hand. It's slightly different, so you have to literally press on it to do it. And I don't think it has the problem with this pen. We can check it out with the other. Okay, yes, it's working fine. I think it has the issue with the iPhone. Let's check it out with some Android phones. Here I have my Samsung device. Let's skip this here. Yes, it's working nice. You don't need to like hit it hard. Here it is working very nicely, all the 3 pens. Let me check. Yes, it's working really nice. Yes, as you can see here. And on the last one. So this capacitive pen works really nice here. And let me check you out with the computer that I have. Let me focus it up. Here we go. Here we go, my friends. I need to check this out. Yes, it's working really nice here. As you can see here, I can hit anything very softly and it's working really nice. I thought so it has some issues with Apple devices, but it's working really nice. I think Apple is very sensitive for these kinds of issues. As you can see here, it's working really nice. I can close the device. If you want, I can write something. Yes, let me check the multi-touch feature. Yes, it's working really nice. I like it, and it's done. I'm done. Let me focus you down again with the phone. So here we go. Wow, this is working really nice, my friends. I can go ahead and go to the calculator. 125 into 2. Yes, in Samsung phones or in Android phones, and also if you have a PC with touchscreen, then it works with just a touch, not like this. But if you can compare the pressure that I'm using here, see, when I touch it here, it is not working at all, see, but here it is working, just a touch. Let me zoom it up and I'll show you. See, here I'm pressing it, but I have to press it literally. Check out this. See, you can see it's checking, it's correcting to the 3D touch rather than I literally need to hit it. So it's not like that. If you compare it with this one, see, just a touch and it's working fine. It might be because of the 3D touch, because see, here also it is not working. I literally need to push it like this to work. So that's the difference I'm getting here. So if you have like the iPad or something, we can check it out with that. Just a moment, let me bring my iPad. So here we go. As you can see, the iPad is working really nice with just a small touch. But I think because Apple phones have 3D touch phones will be having this problem, because it doesn't register with this. But if I touch with my hand, it's working fine. If I use this pen, it is not working fair. As compared to here, it is working in the hand, it's fine. And so as if I use it the pen, it is fine. I don't need to literally push it. So in iPad it's okay. In Android phones also it is okay, fine, just like your hand. I will show you. See, it's working fine. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. This is Amazon Basic Capacitive Touch pens. You can use this if you want to type it or draw in something. So it is a very good thing to have these pens. Like, no, all the time you want to touch your phone, sometimes it should be in pen and in style if you don't have a pen. So that's all, my friends. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and stay tuned for more videos that is coming up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.